Hello, everyone. I'm inside today because rainy season has kicked in here in Florida, and it's been raining most of the day. So I picked up some Georgia fuzzies at Trader Joe's. This is a nice deal. They give you like 12 nice sized peaches. I think it was like $4.99 maybe. But anyway, they're very good peaches. They're not organic. Now, my personal feeling is if I can get organic, I want organic. But if I can't get it and the peaches look good, I get them. Um, Personally, I think that we can deal with a little bit of non-organic better than we can deal with cooked food. Okay, so remember, this food still has, the water intact, the vitamins, the glucose, the fructose, which are very good for you. These are some nice peaches. Now you see, here's a little tip on, now this peach, it's got like a reddish, almost purple color to it. And if you look at where the stem came in, you only see a little bit of yellow, okay? That's what I look for when I buy things, because the more color that it's supposed to be, if it has that color, it's been on the tree longer, and it's going to be more, it's going to sweeten up when it softens much better than when you look at this one here. See all that yellow? Now look at the difference in the color. Okay, so this one here, I guarantee you, will be more sweet than this one. And you want that sweetness, that's what you want. You want to get that glucose from your fruits and fructose, which the cells assimilate very, very easily. So keep in mind what's in season. We're in the month of June. We've got avocados, we've got bananas are always in season, blueberries, cantaloupes, cherries. I've been eating a lot of cherries from California, figs, kiwis, mangoes are coming into season now. The peaches and, of course, watermelon is still in season. It won't hit, it'll be peak season in July, August. So be aware of what's in season. Those are the fruits you want to be eating. You ask anybody, what are the healthiest foods on the planet? And they're going to say fruits and vegetables with good reason, because fruits are the richest source of vitamins and pure water on planet Earth, okay? Fruits, number one. Vegetables are the richest source of minerals and fiber. Number one source on planet Earth. So those are the two foods we want to eat. And then when you look at it again, fruits are the second most rich foods with fiber and minerals. And vegetables are the second most rich food as far as vitamins and water. Now, protein and fats, we don't need a lot of protein and fats, as we can see from the sad situation with people that are overweight and obese, okay? They're getting too much protein, too much fat, and it's really doing some serious damage to their health. So, and in fact, the overconsumption of protein is what leads to kidney failure and dialysis. The US is number one as far as kidney problems and people that are on dialysis because of the overconsumption of animal-based foods. So eat your fruit, your veggies. You need very little fat and protein. You're going to get plenty of protein and fat. Yes, protein and fats come in the perfect proportion in fruits and vegetables, and they're easily assimilated by the body because they're in that perfect proportion that the Creator put into those foods. That's all the protein and fats that we need. Now, of course, you can have avocados, nuts, and seeds, but don't overdo those foods. You're still getting fat and protein from a peach, okay? You're still getting it from here. So I hope to be outside next time, but the rain is nice. The earth needs it, and we're thankful for the rains. It grows all of this wonderful food. So please, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and any questions or comments, post those below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. To your health success. Take care.